Welcome back to my channel. It's I'm Chanel, and today we're going to be doing this post-quarantine get ready with me on this look. So I've done my eyebrows off camera, and the foundation of my choice today is the Mary Kay Time Wise Matte 3D in the shades 130 and 140. So I've already color corrected. I just used some red lipstick that I already had on hand, and I just concealed my eyes. So I'm going in with this Maybelline Master Conceal in the color Camouflage, and I'm just gonna blend that in. When I say blend, I mean dab, not going in the sweeping motion, but just dabbing that in with a makeup brush until it's nice and smooth and blended out. Once I got that nice and blended, I'm going to go back in with some real highlighter, y'all. This is by Kiss. It's in the color yellow. And I'm just going to highlight in my T-zone and all the places that I want to be highlighted. I wanted to keep this up in here where you can see me consistently blending this out, because some people think like just because it's like 2 seconds on YouTube that you only have to blend out for 2 seconds. No, sis, we speed up the video, baby. You're gonna be blending your life away. So just blend, blend, and blend. I'm just going back in with the highlighter, my concealer, and I just dabbed on the red lipstick around my perimeter of my face and where my cheekbones are. And I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. So I'm gonna sweep. You know, you're gonna see me doing the sweeping motion. That's me adding my foundation, because sometimes these brands don't get it right and the pigment be off, and this is just a way to ensure that you have, like, you don't look ashy. I don't know how else to put it, that you have like some kind of hue to your skin. You're not looking ashy out here. And I'm just gonna blend this in with the same dabbing motion. We're not sweeping, y'all. We're just dabbing this in until it's nice and smooth. And I know this is looking a little light on camera. You know, my lighting is not all there yet, sis. I'm still working on it. And my foundation is a little lighter because I like to go in and contour. So yes, right now I am looking like light-skinned Michael Jackson, but give me a minute and I will be looking like dark-skinned Michael Jackson, sis. Bruh, whoever's watching this, thank y'all. And yes, I am going back in with this highlighter. I know you've been highlighting your life away with me, but y'all, trust me, it looks good in the end. I'm just gonna highlight my face with this highlighter by Kiss in the color yellow, and I'm gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. So while we just sitting here about to blend our life away, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, follow me on Instagram at I'm Chanel. That is IMYNNCHANNEL. And comment, let me know if you like these videos. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know your way of doing your makeup or any tricks you have for me, because I am open to any suggestions, because we friends. At this point, I know you know me, we friends. So I'm going in with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder by Maybelline, and I'm just going to set my highlight, and I'm going to apply this powder with my damp beauty blender. So for my eyes, I'll be using this eyeshadow palette that I picked up at my beauty supply store. It's by Kiss, and the name of the palette is Topaz Nudes, and I'm using colors 1 and 8. So I'm just going to take this black eyeliner and apply it to the top of my lash line. I'm going for a more natural soft glam. I will be applying fake eyelashes off camera, so the next clip you will see me with eyelashes. So taking the Topaz Nudes eyeshadow palette by Kiss, I'm using colors 4 and 9 as my highlight. I will also be using colors 3 and I think it's 3 and 8 as my blush, because those are the same colors I used on my eyes and I want this whole look to tie in together. Make sure you blend this stuff out. Like, if you don't learn anything else from this video, is that you will have to blend and blend and blend some more. I'm going back in with the color 9 on a Topaz Nudes color by Kiss, and I'm applying that underneath my eyebrows and on my cupid's bow just to highlight those areas. So I'm just going to set my face, and when I set my face, I'm just going to spray it with water in a mist bottle. And I'm just going to go back in with my damp beauty blender. It has no makeup on it. I'm just going to go back in and just tap my face with it just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. You don't see no brush marks or anything. So I'm going to be applying 3 products to my edges. It's the Super Wet Maximum Hold Styling Gel mixed with some African Pride Edge Control in the color black and some Gorilla Snot. And I just apply these to my hand and mix it up and then apply it to my hair. And when I tell you this concoction, this concoction is the holy grail, y'all. It makes sure no edges are left behind. Like, my edges will be laid and slayed all day. And I live in the South, and that's just amazing. And boom, just like that, y'all, I got 3 finger waves on the side of my head. But it's cute though, and it's gonna be there all day. I'm just gonna take some bobby pins and pin it down, and I'm gonna go and get dressed. So if you watch this video to the end, you are number one. Like, you are MVP and God's gonna bless you. I just want to thank all my subscribers. The love and support has been amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Follow me on Instagram at Chanel. And y'all have a great day.